Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to find the area of this square. We have given the length of this side is 2 unit and the length of this side is 1 unit. Consider this triangle is A, B, C and this triangle is C, D, E. We have AB is equal to 2 unit and DE is 1 unit. And the side length of this square considered as A. So the side length, this AC is considered as A, as this is a square. So every side will be A. And this angle as alpha and this angle considered as beta. Now notice here, if this angle is 90 degree and if this angle is alpha and this angle is beta, then sum of these three angles will be 180 degree. So alpha plus beta plus this 90 degree, this will be 180 degree. Now taking this 90 degree to right side, you can write alpha plus beta is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is 90 degree. As this angle is 90 degree, so from here we can write the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. As this angle E is 90 degree, so sum of these two angles C and this D is 90 degree. And we have alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree. As this is beta, so this angle can be written as alpha because sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Similarly, as this angle is alpha and sum of alpha and beta is 90 degree, so this angle is also beta. That means these two angles are equal and this two angle is also equal. Now focus on triangle A, B, C and in triangle CDE. In triangle CDE. In this two triangle, this angle BAC, this is beta, BAC is equal to this DCE in this triangle because these two angles are equal. DCE. And the angle ACB, this angle is alpha and this angle is alpha, so this CDE is equal to CDE. These two angles are equal and the side length AC is equal to the length of CD because both are the side of this square. So AC is equal to CD. So these two triangles are congruent. That means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDE. That means the side of this BC is same as the side length of this DE. As we have DE is equal to 1 unit, so this DE is 1 unit, that means the length of BC is 1 unit. So we can write this BC as 1 unit. Now in triangle ABC, this angle is 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem in this triangle, we can write AC square, this is the hypotenuse of this triangle, AC square is equal to this AB square plus this base BC square, or AC, this is the side length of this square. We have the side length is A, so AC is A square is equal to AB square. The length of AB is 2 unit, so 2A square plus BC square, BC is 1 unit, so 1 square, and 2A square is 4 plus 1 square is 1, so A square, we can write this as 5 because this 4 plus 1 this 5, and the side length of this square is A, so the area of this square will be A square, and we have the value of A square is 5 unit, so the area of this square is 5 square units, and this is the solution of this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.